Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about self-join. Now we are going to learn about non-equi join. Okay. Actually, these three are the important joins which we use frequently, and these three are like we don't use normally these three joins because this is not as much needed as these three joins. Okay. Anyway, we are going to learn about non-equi joins. Let's jump to SQL workshop for the examples. Okay, so before starting non-equi join, I want to tell you what is equi join is. Okay, so as it is clear from the word, we are doing join. So we will do join. Suppose we have a table called emp. Select star from emp. We have this many data in our emp table. We have 4 data actually. Let me tell you, when we do order by 1, it means that we are doing order by 1 means first column, so it will arrange the data in ascending order according to the first column. Okay, so I'll show you. Currently it is 3 4 1 2. It will become 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2 3 4, as you can see. So order by is used to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. You can write order by 1 DSC, then it will arrange in descending order. I'll show you. 4 3 2 1, and by default it is in ascending order, or you can write ASC as well to arrange it in ascending order. If you're not writing by default, it will understand that you are arranging it in ascending order. Okay, that's just for the information. So we are going to use non-equi join. Before that, I want to tell you what is equi join is. I have a table called emp. I have another table called select star from department dpt. Again, I'll do order by here, order by 1. So as you can see, we have 4 rows in this table, 10 20 30 and 40 with these department names. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use select. Let's again select from here, select ename comma dname. Ename from emp table, dname from department table. From emp alias name E, department alias name D, where E dot emp, sorry, department ID is the common column, so we'll write E dot department ID is equal to D dot dpt ID. Okay, now we'll give we'll write E dot ename and then D dot dname. It will understand that we are taking department name from department table and E name from employee table, emp table. Now let's run this. As you can see, we have this data with the with the name. We can write alias name here, employees, and here department. Okay, run. So as you can see, we have employee list, we have their respective departments. Okay, so when we are doing something like this, E dot department ID is equal to D dot department ID, it means that we are doing equi join. We are equalizing both the sides. So this is what equi join is, and this is what equi join is. What if we will write something like greater than or less than or not equal to, then it is called non-equi join. I hope the concept is clear to you. Equi join means when we are writing something like this is equal to, then it is equi join. When we are writing greater than or less than or not equal to, then it is non-equi join. That's the only difference, and this is what non-equi join is. Simple and clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. I'll show you the result here. Let's do greater than department ID and run this. So we have some data, something like this. I'll explain you the data, how data is coming and how these many rows are coming. I'll explain you, but I just want to let you know that this is what non-equi join is. And let's do less than, and then run it, Again we have some data, something like this data when we are running non-equi join. Okay, let's do not equal to and then run it. So all these three examples belong to, see, we have these many 12 rows, as you can see. So these three examples are non-equi join examples. Okay, hope things are clear to you. Now I'll explain only this example. You will get to know all the other examples as well. Okay, so when we are doing something like this, e dot department id means department id in employee table is greater than d dot department id means department id from department table. I'll explain you with example. Let's jump here. So this is our employee table actually, which is having 4 data, and this is our department table which is having 4 data. So when I'm saying e dot department id is greater than d dot department id, then it just compares how many of e dot department id is greater than d dot department id. So it will suppose what I'm giving condition. Let me write here. I'm giving condition as e dot department id is greater than d dot department id. It means that it will compare first row. 10 is greater than 10, no. 20, no. 30, no. 40, no. So it compares with all 4 rows. It is not greater. Now it will compare 20. 20 is greater than 10, yes. So 1 row. It has counted 1 row. Okay, and the respective row, actually this data, it has taken this data. So 20 is greater than 10. That's it. What else? It is not greater than to other rows, other department IDs of department table. Now it will come to 30. 30 is greater than to 20 and 10. So it got 2 more rows. Okay, which 2 rows? These 2 rows, 30 and 40. Okay, so now it will come to 30. 30 is greater than to 10, 20. Sorry, we have done for 30. Now 40 is greater than 10, 20, 30. 3 rows plus 3 more rows. You got total. We are getting 6 rows. As you can see, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 rows. So that is what we are getting examples data here as 6 rows, and according respective data we are getting. All right. Hope things are understandable to you and clear to you. The non-equi join concept. The basic thing is concept is clear to you. Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like and subscribe my video, and if you like, please share it with your friends as well. Okay, so thank you very much.